But we're tackling this seized up wheel bearing today on this Hudson axle that's been added to a frame to make some kind of a wagon. Could do with circlip pliers really, but we've got a couple of screwdrivers in there to remove that circlip, and then we've got to remove the centre cap to reveal the seized up bit. So we've got the circlip removed, we can't get the centre cap out. The only way we've found of doing it is knocking it from the back and shocking it out the front. Let's have a go at that. It's a bit more difficult than we thought. We're chiselling it out now, but it's coming slowly. That was your thumb. Here she comes.
Got another.
Hey! And that reveals the captive nut there with a split pin through it. We'll pull that out, and then there's two tapered bearings to get out. So that's the castle nut coming out, and then we'll be able to lift the wheel off and examine what we expect to see, which is two taper roller bearings, one on the front and one on the back. Just lifting the wheel off now. One of those bearings is loose then now, is it?
Yeah, I'm moving over.
This
is what we're doing anyway.
One's on the shaft, and that's the one that we're going to clean up. That's obviously the one that's causing the problem. And then reassembly. So that's it, we've freed off all four wheels now. Pushes very easily, just 1 foot, and away she goes.